Good evening, everybody. Uh, Today, I will explain about securing our data in Salesforce. Introduction. Data security is important because need to control what a user or group of user can see in the org or app. Salesforce provides layered sharing model. You can easily assign different data sets to different group of users. You can control access to your whole or any specific object, fields, and records. Levels of data access in Salesforce, organization, objects, fields, and records. Organization, maintain list of authorized users, set password policies, limit login to certain hours and locations, limit IP address from which users can log in, limit times at which users can log in. Organization level security, you can control object level permissions for both standard and custom objects. You can set permissions for a particular object. You can give permission to view, create, edit, and delete any records of the that object. You can control object permissions using profiles and permission sets. Field level security, you can restrict access to certain fields in Salesforce, even if user has object level access. You can make a field visible to a particular user and hide that from another user. You can give read or edit permission to a field. If you don't give both, then that field will not be visible. Field level security can be controlled using profiles and permission sets. Record level security, you can restrict access to records for users, even if user has object level permissions. For example, user can view his own records, not others. We can manage record level access in following ways: organization by defaults, role hierarchies, sharing rules, annual sharing. Organization by defaults, it specified the default level of access of records. Archive sharing setting lock down the data to the most restrictive level. Here are you have three level access levels: private, public read only, public read or write. You can use other record level security and sharing to tools to open up the sharing of records. Whole hierarchies, it gives access for users higher in the hierarchies. That user can access all the records owned by the users below them in the hierarchies. Each role in the hierarchy should be representative level of data access that user or group of user needs. And also I will explain about uh, encoding passwords and decoding passwords. And here I am setting a password, and here I am printing my password, and here I am convert our password to object, and here encoding of password using a64 encode, and here I am decoding the password using a64 decoding. I will executing this. And here actually I am giving password 123. After encoding my password, it comes like this. And after encoding, my password is decoded, and this is my actual password after decoded. That's it for today. Thanks.